Mini password list generator for brute force attack made using C programming code. You can see the code used to generate a passwords list. Remove / if you don't want repetition of characters in each password. After executing the program, this might take more time to generate all possible passwords of each 7 characters. Maybe it will take 5 hours or 1 day or 2 days or 10 days, depends upon the system you're using.